Hi, my name is Joanna, and I will introduce you to a solution for creating and modifying digital resources for the purpose of education. Do you know the concept of mind mapping? The solution we will look at in this video is using mind mapping for sharing content. We will look at the digital application of a mind map. The topic of this video tutorial is how to use Canva for creating mind maps. My tool of choice is Canva, which offers ready-made templates. How to get started? Create a free account on Canva. I already have an account, so I will log in with my Google account. Okay, so I am logged in. So now you can create a design. When you click this purple button, you can type in actually mind map, and you will automatically be redirected to a new page to get started with creating your mind map. On the left side of the screen, right here, you have different templates to choose from. Just scroll down to choose the most interesting one. I will now choose one that is devoted to learning, and it's this example. Okay, so as you see here, we have a ready-made a mind map, but now what I want to do is replace the text and also make adjustments. So I will change the title of this mind map from different learning styles to different reading styles. I want to replace this image with another one. You have some photos you can choose from. It's a bank of photos. I will choose this free one. There's a lot of free options you can choose from, so it's enough if you have a free account actually. You can also upload your own pictures. You can add additional elements to your mind map, and some text fields, but at the moment I already have enough text fields. Actually, I want to delete some of them, and I want to write in examples of some different reading styles. So the first one is skimming, another one is scanning, which I will enter in right here, and one more, let it be revision. The fields that are unnecessary I will just delete, or you can also leave these fields so that your students fill in some additional examples, or simply yourself you can just build this mind map with as many different information as you want. Okay, so perhaps that's okay for now. And perhaps I want to add one more mind map. I just need to click this button, add page. And once again, I go back to the templates and choose the design that I want. Let's look for a more standard looking mind map, which is, for example, this. And here, the same as previously, you just click on the fields and replace the text. So the title could be Antonyms to warm, and in this case you would insert such words as cold and so on. And the same, you can also replace the fields, move them, delete them if they are unnecessary, make any necessary adjustments as you wish. Okay, and once you have finished your mind maps, you can decide to either share them or to save them. So if you want to share them, just click on this button, enter the email address of that person, decide if you want to share it for them to edit or just to view it. So it's a good choice if you want the contribution from your students or to enable another teacher to introduce any adjustments. Well, then definitely choose to share a link to edit it. But of course, you could also choose only the view option. Okay, and finally you can decide to save this mind map, each of them separately or or together as one file. And the standard suggested file type is a PDF standard one, but you can also save it as another kind of file type. So, as you see, this mind mapping in digital form is very simple. It's a solution for both teachers and for students to create their own personalized maps. And digital maps can serve as a teaching or learning resource, a revision tool, and for sharing content with others. So that's all from me about digital mind maps. Thank you for watching this tutorial, and enjoy creating and modifying digital resources.